So I didn't get to put it in the video yesterday, although I said there was a surprise Vonzy had for me. He got so busy talking about stuff. I totally forgot to record when he gave it to me. This is a PGO My Bubu 125. It did come with this big trunk, which has a quick disconnect. I took that off because these scooters have so much storage space. Oh yeah, crazy. So he said it developed a knock. It's very slight, almost like when you take off torque. I drove it around a little bit, so let's take it for a ride. See if it blows up or if it just remains the same. So the PGO Bubu 125, My Bubu, is supposedly rare. This is a 2003, was imported from Taiwan directly. Now you'd recognize these as a genuine Buddy 125. But prior to 06, My Bubu.
Ready, Bubu boy?
All right, you guys listen with me. It does have a CVT, constant variable transmission, in this. I mean, it could even be the primary clutch or something. We're gonna see how this thing goes in the sand. I don't think it's gonna do too good. Got a high RPM before it grabs that belt, huh? Oh, this sand's gonna be horrible. I could tell already. Oh boy. Oh god. Yeah, these scooter tires aren't good in the sand at all. So we're gonna listen, and if it acts up or gets any worse, we'll hopefully make it back home. Probably can use a new belt. My buddy's got a scooter page. He recommended getting a good Gates belt. I'll link his scooter page below. Got 2 key tag winners dropping off. Mama might even try it, but I'd have to bring her out to the pavement. Since this was a direct import from Taiwan, the speedometer's in kilometers. Still feels like it goes pretty good. Scott and Robert, 2 winners of key tags. There you go, boys. My injectors are here. My injectors are here. So miles per hour is on inner ring there, I see. You know what they say about scooters? Riding a scooter is like riding a chick. It's all great until your friends see you. Feels pretty good. And the motor really doesn't sound that bad. Almost sounds like torque, the noise. Scooter song's really gonna match now. I don't know, I think scooters are like the minivans of motorcycles, if you want to call it a motorcycle. They fit between the e-bike and a motorcycle. The engine's still holding together. We'll keep going. It says 55, but I don't know. Somebody's sassy. Terminator. Well, if that speedometer is right, that's like 62 right there. It's got a nice loud blinker. Here, a tink tink. That's a good idea. A lot of times it gets forgotten. So it doesn't sound like the motor's getting any noisier. And I don't think it's really that noisy to begin with. It just sounds like torque when you give it gas. What do you guys think? I mean, I could definitely hear a little. be like piston slap. I know what Udi Rise is gonna say. He's gonna say put the 250 kit on it. So it's got 2,849 kilometers on it. 60% of that, 1,600 miles, roughly. Not bad. Look, Udi Rides, I got a scooter. I do have a 250 scooter up north I need to work on. Just everything else always comes up. Thing's pretty quick. Oh, the bungee. I wonder if I should stop and get that. Free bungee. Free is for me. It got flattened. I don't want it. Wonder how accurate this speedometer is. Vonzy says that they're off a bit. Well, he's right. That's saying 30. Right there, it's 30. But it's doing 26, 25. Yeah, it's like 4 off. 30 right there. Yeah, right there. So yeah, 26. It's 4 off. I knew it felt pretty fast for 125. Yeah, that was saying 60. So it's probably 55 or less. Yeah, 63, that's about it, which is probably 58. If it didn't blow up then, I don't think it's gonna. Had it almost wide open that whole time. I think it could definitely use a belt. Seems like it's grabbing with the clutch a little too high RPM. Huh, I like having that ticking noise. And you won't forget the blinkers on. Isn't that right, Boo Boo? Boo Boo? Motor Rider loves the scooters too. Don't you, Motor Rider? Yeah, they're the minivan of motorcycles. That's what I think. Maybe we'll try a 0 to some sort of top speed up here. Go. 20, 30, 40, 50. 60. Minus that 5 miles an hour. Stop and visit my parents. Yeah, you can hear it slightly. I wonder what that is. I think it's maybe piston slap. If it's under a load, it does it. Yeah, you can hear it. It was a good ride, Boo Boo. Boo Boo.
That's nice. Who gave it to you? Did you have any trouble on the way?
No, it's got a slight, like, I don't know if it's piston rattle or, but you can hardly hear it. Listen. Hear it?
My ear is not as educated as yours.
Don't forget that's a back brake and that's a front brake. Yeah, 125 is a good size.
Yeah. But
Here she goes.
huh? But she likes that. Look at her.
Yeah, like old times.
Yeah. I'd sneak out with that.
Nice.
Yeah, just like old times, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take you home now. Oh.
Yeah, we'll follow you with the car. Oh, I want to put air in that back tire. I think it's soft.
And my leg won't be that stiff. I want to ride around and loosen up.
Yeah, I wonder what these are supposed to be. Oh, that drags. Whoa, something's dragging. I'm gonna have to check that. 36. Now it's gonna be really hard to go through sand. I'll do 34. 18. See it. 17. I knew it was low. I could see. That's what I hate, taking these things off. Now it's probably a pound less. Like I was saying, the scooters are like the minivans of motorcycles, because there's always all these compartments.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Forgot my sunglasses. I knew I should have checked the air pressures. I always do. The Vonzy's pretty good at that, but it's been sitting in his garage, so. Oh yeah, I could tell on the corners too. Only had like 14 pounds of air. I gotta figure out why that front brake is hanging. It might not even be the brake. Something's hanging up a little bit on that front tire. Because usually when the brakes get hot, they don't work as good, and I don't see any difference. Just got a text from them, so. Thanks, Eric, but I called these guys twice and no one came out for a quote. The guy's on vacation or something. I was just leaving my parents and they're literally right down the road. I stopped in, are you here? Stopped in the store, but I don't know if you're here. In the showroom?
Are you here now?
Oh, I hear you talking. All right. Just gonna go back, and I'm like, it's right there. I should just turn.
How are you doing?
Good. How you
What
doing?
you got going on here?
This is what for my YouTube. I got a friend of mine. He just gave me a scooter because he has like a whole. You saw all my stuff, but
Yeah.
he's got like probably 30.
Oh.
All lined up, and he's getting another one. He's like, I gotta get rid of one, you know, like, you want this? And I think something's wrong with the motor. It sounds like it's a little noisy.
Is it on right now?
It is. I could turn it off.
You're
Or you could be on YouTube.
How's it going now? No, definitely when we do your pool, we'll
Oh, yeah.
work something out for sure. I was actually working on it right now. I can have something for you by the end of today. I mean, how long are you going to be? Did y'all want to come back in today?
I'll see if she wants to.
Yeah, ask her if she wants to, and I'll have everything ready for you guys.
All right.
And then we'll-
All right, thanks.
All right, have a safe trip.
Yeah, thanks.
Have fun.
Thanks. How much will it be, boys?
Vin Diesel's on his scooter, wind against his face, tearing down those country roads, a wild and free embrace. MotoCheez is roaring, the channel's where it's at. Fast and fearless rides, now how about that? MotoCheez!
That looked like a lot laser. I think it might have been, boys. Yeah, this thing is fun.
Come along, it's a thrill non-stop.
Oh, there's Aloha Pools right there.
Country roads and the world on top.
You don't want none of my boo-boo scooter.
Boo-boo? The sun sets low, but then long slow, twisting through the bends where the cool winds blow. Every mile's a story, every ride's a tale. With MotoCheez, adventure never fails. MotoCheez, oh can't you see? Riding fast, living life, feeling free. Come along, it's a thrill non-stop. Country roads and the world on top.
Keep all the weight to the back, but still. These are not sand tires. If the front is dragging a bit, that'll make it a lot worse. Going through sand, the sugar sand. It's the worst right now, though. We haven't had rain in months. Woo-hoo. Oh my God. Very bad in the sand. Well, didn't get any worse, so maybe it'll be alright for a little while. That's right. My boo-boo.
Bye-bye, boo-boo!
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say.
Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.